and always try to remove the disclaimer on YouTube that's try to spread the untrue knowledge. So basically right now we discuss the app that is Xrecorder. That Xrecorder, the app uses for the recording screen on mobile. So let's get started how to use and how the full overview and other function we will discuss. So now let's get started. So first what you need, to be go to Play Store, type play, and you will find here on the screen. Let's click it. Now in a search engine, you should try type Xrecorder. Here's what you can see already in the screen list. Type, so you will see open it because I have already installed. You need to install from Play Store, and if you are iPhone user, you should try to go and App Store. There will be you find Xrecorder, so you can install from there. When you install, click open, and you will see some advertisement, etc. And then that is the front view of all your app. So okay, after downloading and installing the app in your mobile, so first what you can do, that first just type in a search X. So you will see the Xrecorder in the search list. You can click it, and now you can use from here. And if you can't find by this method and don't know how to use it, then you can also scroll down and find in the X row and other techniques that you use in the life by using mobiles in search. So I teach you both of methods. Now it's the front face. You will see that in the face some recent activity that I have done. However, I teach you that these full working how we use. First the camera, you will see that when I hit the camera, you will see that the recording has been started. However, I will teach you later. First the setting. So in the setting you will see that you can do a list of operation you want to do, like recording, like saving sitting place where you want to save your video, and others activities like recording mode you normally, or maybe some high, etc. So that is the tool you use. If you hit the camera on, you will be also able to start recording of camera, like I hit so you can see the wall in the recording, also some other places, stuffs, etc. So that I have on the camera. If I hit again, so it will turn off and the recording will be carry on. You can also done the recording on the camera as well. So these are the activities you can do, and it's language, etc. So these are the setting, and the pin, if you hit the pin, you can see that the list of the videos that you want to change, editing, etc. List of operations with this. If you see the camera, so you can find the cameras, the pictures that I have taken right before this video. You can also see that it's a screenshot, also capable to take screenshot, and also we can use as a camera. Later we will teach you, but first of all you can see the starting recording at the stop. First you can see in the front of the screen you see the red color, that is for stopping camera, and then the right corner is just for the others activity in operation, and right left you can see the stop and push activities. And now we also turn back towards the mobile camera, so that to teach you that how can you use it. So you can also work for both, like recording in the front of camera, that video, etc. you want to start. So that could be enough from our side. If you like it, please subscribe our channel, and if you find it good, so like the thumb, and also some others be so appreciate our work if you like, and also comments if you find any fault or wrong errors in our language as well as and the apps, etc. And if you appreciate, it will be your kindest. And thank you for joining us. See you soon.